What if you're working with your kids on learning how to add and subtract and it's just not working, or you have no idea where to even start? I can help you out. I have a tool for you. I'm Brandy, and I'm the mom behind Aunt Bindy's Bookshelf. I am a mom of 2 with years of experience in the classroom and as a part-time homeschool mom, and I'm here to help you as you help your kids learn and grow. Today we're going to do that by talking about a tool to teach addition and subtraction, the number line.
It's a number line. This particular number line is made of seaweed because we're doing all things ocean this month. Let me show you how it works. I have this number line that goes from 1 to 20. We're going to pick 2 numbers between 1 and 10, and we're going to write our equation on this mat. Our first number tells us where to start on the number line. We drew a 4 first. We're going to mark that. The addition sign tells us that our number is going to get bigger, so we need to move to the right. And our second number tells us how far we need to move. We drew an 8. Each of the spaces is marked by a single dolphin. How many dolphins do we need to move? 8 dolphins. Okay, let's count our dolphins. And we end up with our answer. 4 dolphins where we started plus 8 dolphins equals 12 dolphins. And here's the cool part. We can do it backwards. Let's rewrite our equation. 12 is our first number. We're going to start here. The minus sign tells us we're moving backwards towards the smaller numbers. And our second number, 8, tells us how many dolphins we need to move. Let's count our dolphins. We end up at 4. 4 plus 8 equals 12, and 12 minus 8 equals 4. Amazing! And you can swap the number in the equations to show that cool trick as well. Start at 8, move 4 dolphins to the right. Still 12. Start at 12, move 4 dolphins to the left. Back to 8. Watch how it works with larger numbers. Take 2 two-digit numbers. Just like the smaller numbers, the first number in our equation is where we start our movement. The plus or minus sign tells us which direction we're moving on the line. The second number is where things get cool. We're going to break down our number into its parts like this. 22 is 2 10s and 2 1s. We're going to use this fabulous spacer to move the correct number of spaces. Our seahorse is 10 spaces wide and our dolphin is 1 space wide. We're going to lay these on our number line to give us our answer. 2 seahorses, 2 dolphins. We started at 37, placed our spacers, and we get to 59, which is the answer.
That is just another set of tools for you to have in your toolbox. Sometimes kids just need to see things in a different way, and it's so cool to watch the numbers be physically manipulated. You just never know what is going to click for kids. Go ahead and give it a try and see if it flips that switch. Hopefully this helped. If it did, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I release a new video that's designed to help you as you help your kids every week.